Hey there, science fans. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the periodic table. Today, we're going on an adventure through the periodic table. Buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride through the elements. Our first stop is element number 13, aluminum. This shiny, silvery metal is more fascinating than you might think. Imagine a giant magnet. It's wrapped in a huge sheet of aluminum foil. But wait, there's more to this story. The magnet is so strong. It pulls everything towards it. Can you imagine the power it must have to attract all those objects? The aluminum foil crinkles and crunches. Objects stick out from the giant crumpled ball. It's like a magnetized aluminum monster. What a sight. Aluminum is a very important element. It's not just about its magnetic attraction. There's so much more to it. It's lightweight and strong. We use it for cans, foil, and even airplanes. Aluminum's versatility makes it indispensable in our daily lives. Did you know aluminum is also highly recyclable? It can be reused over and over again without losing its properties. That's pretty cool, right? Are you ready for our next stop? Let's go. There's a whole world of elements waiting to be explored. Stay curious and keep learning. Next up is element number 14, silicon. This element is a true marvel of the periodic table. Silicon is all about fun and silliness, just like our friend, the clown. But don't let its playful nature fool you. Picture this. Our giant aluminum foil ball is still there, shining brightly.
Suddenly, a clown appears with an armful of bright orange cones. He's ready to add some flair. He starts sticking the cones all over the foil ball. It looks ridiculous, but there's a method to this madness.
Silicon is found in those cones. It's a key component in many everyday items. It's also in computer chips and sand. Imagine the beach without silicon, it just wouldn't be the same. Silicon is super important for technology. From the smallest gadgets to the largest machines, silicon is everywhere. Without silicon, we wouldn't have smartphones or computers. Our modern world relies on it. Let's move on to our next element. The journey through the periodic table is just getting started. There are more discoveries to be made. Stay tuned for more fascinating elements and their quirky stories. Get ready, explorers. We've arrived at element number 15, phosphorus. It's time to dig into the past. Near our silly aluminum foil ball, a group of paleontologists are hard at work. They're carefully brushing away dirt. Suddenly, they uncover something amazing. It's an ancient fossil.
It's a fossil for us, they shout, jumping with joy.
Phosphorus is found in our bones and teeth. It's also important for plants to grow. And guess what? It glows in the dark. How cool is that? Now let's sniff out our next element.
Section 4, suffering from sulfur. Hold your noses, everyone.
We've reached element number 16, sulfur, and it's a stinky one. Remember our aluminum foil ball? Well, a sulfuric geyser erupts nearby. The smell of rotten eggs fills the air. Everyone starts to cough and sputter.
Phew, that sulfur is making me suffer.
Sulfur is found in volcanoes and hot springs. It has a very strong smell like rotten eggs, but it's also used to make things like matches and fertilizers. Let's clear the air and move on to our next element.
Phew, that sulfur smell was something else.
A good thing element number 17 is here to help. Chlorine. A cleaning crew arrives wearing masks and gloves. They spray a special chlorine bleach solution all over the area. The rotten egg smell disappears and everything sparkles and shines.
Chlorine is used to keep our swimming pools clean and our drinking water safe. It's a powerful element that can kill germs. But be careful, too much chlorine can be harmful.
Get ready for our final element. It's going to be a blast.
Hold on tight, everyone. The wind is getting stronger and it feels like we're being pulled into a whirlwind of elements. We've made it to our final destination, element number 18, Argon. This journey has been incredible, and now we stand before one of the most fascinating elements in the periodic table.
Suddenly a dramatic wind whips through the area. It's as if the very air around us is alive with energy and excitement. The aluminum foil ball, the silly cones, even the paleontologists are swept away. Everything is quiet. The chaos has subsided, leaving an eerie calm in its wake.
They're all gone. Where did everything go? It's like we've been transported to another dimension.
Argon is a noble gas. It's colorless, odorless, and doesn't react with much. This makes it incredibly stable and unique among the elements. It's often used in light bulbs to prevent the filament from burning out. Without argon, our light bulbs wouldn't last nearly as long. And that, my friends, is the end of our periodic table adventure. We've explored the wonders of elements 13 to 18, each with its own story and significance. I hope you had fun exploring elements 13 to 18 with me. Each element has its own unique properties and uses, making our world a fascinating place. Until next time, keep on exploring. There's always more to discover in the world of science and beyond. Stay curious and adventurous.